What's up, YouTube? Today we have another dyno session with a customer's truck. 4.8 cam kit, stock heads, single turbo, fuel system. Truck is called Avion. Setup we did back in Kyoto?
2011, maybe 12, somewhere around there.
2011, 2012 hicimos el turbo kit. Le pusimos el cam kit esto, ¿no?
No me acuerdo ni cuánto gusta.
I don't remember, pero we built the truck for the customer y la traía. Y luego se fue a jalar afuera y la parqueó, and he had it parked for years in su garage. And he called me the other day and told me to pick it up to clean injectors or switch them out because the truck was misfiring bad. So we switched out the injectors, changed filters, changed fuel pumps. Y luego también estaba fallándolo. And we're really gonna strap it on the dyno, see how she does. Still dirty, pero ya no me ocupa un detail. Precision, que es 88 millimeter turbo on a 4.8. Takes some time to spool, pero es que el customer he was gonna build a bigger motor, so that's why we got that turbo. And he still wants to build a bigger motor. Pero vamos a ver qué hace el pinche little, sí, lo que está diciendo. Que armar un 370 for el turbo ese.
Sí.
So let's see what this little engine can do. $734. Same boost level.
Sí, nomás le moví un poquito de time, 2 degrees de timing y fuel.
What's the total timing?
17 degrees.
17 degrees. Not bad.
Está bien como quiera, ¿verdad?
Yeah. So it has a total of 17 degrees of timing. ¿Y cuánto boost era? 17?
Sí, hace peak 17.
Peak 17 pounds of boost, making 734 horsepower. It's a cam only, stock heads. It only has Holley high ram intake, the precision 88 millimeter turbo, cam, springs, push rods, fuel system on a 480 transmission with the circle D converter, making pretty good amount of power. So, ¿qué hacer ahora, güey?
Timing, fuel está ya bien.
Sí. Give it a little bit more timing.
Acá no trae tanto boost. Y lo de 4.8. 4.8 les gusta chingo de timing.
I'm gonna try to add more timing, see what it does. Hoy 686. Pero está el timing.
Al parecer no. quiero checar el fuel pressure porque se me hace que está dropping en high RPM.
Se oyó weird ahorita como que fue como...
Se me hace que hizo un poquito de sputter como donde le pisé, pero está un poquito rich ahí. No se baja el fuel pressure.
686 bajó.
Bajó bastante, ¿sabes?
¿Dónde?
Digo, bajó bastante.
Sí.
Ahorita la checamos otra vez.
Went down on power, so we're gonna check it out, see what's going on, and keep you updated. Güey, bajó más.
Le bajé para atrás el timing, so lo que voy a ver es qué está pasando, porque parece que está bien rich ahora.
Está bien rich. Ahí está. Gonna correct fueling. We went back down on timing, so we went back down on power. We thought it was the timing that was losing the power, but it wasn't that. It's probably just the fueling. So we're gonna get the fueling better and keep on at it. Stay tuned. $755.
Los previous runs estaba bien rich. I guess the first few pulls the regulator wasn't working correctly since it's been sitting for like how many years? At least 4 years I think it's been sitting.
More than 5 years.
Or maybe 5 years. So what I'm thinking is maybe the regulator was stuck and wasn't ¿cómo se llama? It wasn't raising the fuel pressure per each PSI of boost. So I think it got unstuck, and the pulls that made less power, it got really rich. So I'm guessing that's what happened. Right now I removed a lot of fuel out of the tune and made the power back again. And it even made more power. I'm gonna add the 2 more degrees I backed down, so I think it's gonna make more power. It should make more power.
So there you go. There you got it. It made more power. We're gonna try with 2 more degrees, see what it does. 755 on a 4.8. Badass, making power. Making some steam. Fierro. Stay tuned. $749.
The previous run sí eran 19 degrees, so esta eran 20, le di 1 degree más. I guess ya no va a ser más power de ahí. Hablar con el customer si quiere más boost, or if he wants to try it like that first.
That's done. Well, that's all she wrote. 755 was the most power. We're gonna call the customer up, see if he wants more boost or if he wants to take it like that. See what it does at the track and so forth. So we'll keep you posted. Spoke to customer. We're just gonna leave it at that. He said he's gonna try it out, see how it does, and we're gonna be building a bigger motor for him to make more power. So that's all for today, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, click the little bell notification on the side to get a notification every time we post a video up, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.